Understanding end of fast in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in English, end of fast. It's a simple yet profound expression that can carry significant meaning in various contexts. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, end of fast, literally refers to the conclusion of a period during which a person refrains from eating or drinking. This term is often associated with religious practices, but it can also be used in a broader sense. In a religious setting, end of fast marks the completion of a fasting period. For instance, Muslims break their fast at sunset during Ramadan, which is the end of their daily fast. Similarly, Christians might refer to the end of a Lenten fast. Metaphorically, end of fast can symbolize a period of self-restraint or abstinence from any activity coming to a close. For example, one might say, end of a social media fast, to indicate they are returning to social media after a break. Don't confuse end of fast with breakfast, which etymologically means breaking the fast after a night's sleep. While they're related, breakfast is a specific meal, whereas end of fast is a point in time. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, end of fast, and expanded your understanding of its usage in English. Whether it's part of your spiritual practice or a metaphor for taking a break from anything in life, this phrase is versatile and meaningful. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.